Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to check the responses of a Google form on your phone. This video is for people who have already created a Google form and want to see the responses. If you haven't made a form first, to begin, open the Safari browser on your phone. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used to create the form. You can check this by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. Now in the search bar, type in forms.google.com and hit enter. This will take you to the main Google Forms page. By default, it may show you a mobile version of the site, but we need to switch to the desktop version to access the responses. To do this, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of Safari, then tap on the desktop site. Now the screen will reload and you'll see all of your existing forms. Find the form you want to check and tap to open it. Once your form is open, look at the top of the screen. You will see a tab labeled Responses. Tap on that. There are two main ways you can view the responses. The first way is the Summary tab. This shows you an overview of all the responses in graphs and charts. It's useful to quickly understand what most people selected. The second way is to check responses by each question. Tap the Question tab. You can then select a specific question and it will show all the responses just for that one. You can switch between questions using the drop-down box. That's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.